Hi my friends, it's Sweet 2067 and today we're looking at the Merry Rolling Pin. That's a raw drink, so we got for less than €5 for one of them, and my partner got €5, and that we are at, actually where we are at the moment, and this is the restaurant. Okay. This is at the Davaras in Lithuania, I would say Vilnius. I've had too much already. So those are the names of each ones. I'll show you the restaurant anyway. Quick look around. There's my partner there in the shot. That's all the way through. It's like really bar-like. And just go up the stairs. See this guy here. And you just go up and wait, and there's always a queue. Look around. We're going to have our shots now.
That's not bad, that's just under €1 shot.
Good that, that's a Euro shot. Right guys, I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching the video. Keep pale and we'll see you soon.